I just wanted to put this out there. This is a Kubota SVL 90-2. Last year we had an issue with the air conditioning fan in the cab not coming on, and ultimately what we figured out the problem was right here, where these wires go through the sheet metal. They rubbed around here and inside the sheath, and we're afraid they became severed. We just reconnected everything and rewrapped everything, and we were back in business with the evaporator fan, the fan inside the cab. This year we had a similar problem. The air conditioning fan was working no problem, but the compressor wasn't kicking on. And we discovered a problem right here. The wire, there's one single blue wire inside here. That was worn out and actually severed altogether. We just reconnected it, taped it all back up. Decent job, I guess. And we're back in business with air conditioning. So I hope that helps somebody out there.